Asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Nasaan?
Madam Vice
Tinanong
President.
kita kanina. I'm sorry, sir. Tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? USEC ng ASEC. Anong sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo
pa po-
alam.
Hindi pa po ako nagsumasagot.
Hindi mo. Nakita kita, sumagot. Camera. Kita sumagot. Sinabi mo, Secretary.
Chairman, motion to
Hindi
suspend
niyo
for
alam
5
lahat.
minutes.
1
Na
minute
ang
reset.
nag-a-appoint
One
ay
minute
President.
suspension is
Oh,
declared by
pahiya.
the chair.
Chowa, pahiya.
You are depriving a person of her liberty while I await
That is precisely the point, ma'am.
the...
If our action of detaining your chief of staff is against the law, I think the proper remedy, and I think you're a lawyer,
Yes, sir.
the proper remedy is to go to the court.
Sir, do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas? Yes, sir.
Kung meron pong
Okay.
remedy, alam naman po ninyo bilang abogado na tama po yung sinasabi ni Congressman Acop, pwede po tayong mag-file ng relief sa court.
Okay, sige, sir. Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Tinutulungan
malaking
ko
sampal
lang
yan.
kayo.
Mga lampas 2 months po, mga ganyan.
Malagpas 2 months.
Apo.
Okay. Yun lang po kasi siyempre binabangga po namin ito dun sa mga acknowledgement receipts at saka performance report ng audit. So we just wanted to make sure na nagtataya po yung numbers. That's all I have, Mr. Chair.
So, ano to? Hindi na to
Mr.
in aid
Chair.
of legislation?
Yes.
In aid of,
Vice
ano na to?
President.
Sir,
Persecution?
pasensya ka na. Wala talaga kaming kakampi dito. But I
Oo.
really request to strike out pagwawaldas.
Mr. Chair, I concur with the point of the Vice President. We can strike it out.
Yes. Could you put it in motion?
I move that we strike out the word
Pahiya.
pagwawaldas.
Second.
Okay, is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Dadagan, Balita News Update.
Your Honor, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry, so help you God? Yes. The oath has been administered, Your Honors.
Thank you. I will recognize you now,
Okay.
Honorable Vice President.
Yes. Mr. Chair, the position of Undersecretary and Assistant Secretaries and other appointed positions are positions of trust and confidence by the appointing authority. The resignation letters of the USECs and the ASECs of DepEd were accepted by the appointing authority. And who is that? Mr. Chair. President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Yes.
It is not the Secretary of the Department of Education. So you ask the President of the Republic of the Philippines why he accepted the resignation of the USECs and the ASECs.
What is the point, Honorable Vice
Ano
President?
yun? Tanong niya.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo, bakit
Ba't si President yung tumanggap?
question ng due process? Tanungin nyo ang appointing authority, bakit niya tinanggap ang resignation letter?
Madam Vice President,
Yes, sir.
we will, wala pa po tayo dun sa usapin na yun.
Sa anong usapin,
Later po sa binabanggit po ninyo.
Sa anong
Wala
usap-
pa po tayo sa period of interpellation. Bubuksan ko pa lamang po ang period of interpellation.
Yes, sir. Nandun na kayo sa topic. Hindi po tayo nag-i-interpellation
Madam
ngayon.
Vice President, nag-uusap po muna ang mga miyembro.
Yes,
so,
sir.
please do respect. Yung
Yes,
mga,
I am very respectful. I am dovetailing from Congressman Marcoleta. The appointing authority is the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Why are you questioning due process in a discussion of resignation of USECs and ASECs?
Wala pa pong nagtatanong about that, Madam Vice President.
Sir, kinontempt nyo
Madam-
na, sir, dinetain nyo na yung tao for due process.
Madam Vice President,
Sir, nasa loob ng detention ang tao because you questioned due process. Asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Nasaan?
Madam Vice
Tinanong
President.
kita kanina. I'm sorry, sir. Tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? USEC ng ASEC. Anong sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo
pa po-
alam.
Hindi pa po ako nagsumasagot.
Hindi mo. Nakita kita, sumagot. Camera. Kita sumagot. Sinabi mo, Secretary.
Chairman, motion to
Hindi
suspend
niyo alam
for 5
lahat.
minutes.
1
Na
minute,
ang
President.
nag-a-appoint
One
ay
minute
President.
suspension is
Oh,
declared by
pahiya.
the chair.
Chowa, pahiya. Hindi niya alam. Oh, may video pala eh. Mamaya, pakita ng video para at least mapahiya talaga tong chihuahuang mukhang pera talaga to. Ganon sila, pag hindi mo sila makasagot, kahit hindi na nagkakagulo, kahit may conversation lang, may palitan lang ng salita, isususpend na para pag-uusapan ho nila anong isasagot. Tulungan yan sila dyan eh. Oh, di ba? Napakawalang kwenta kayong mga tonggisista dyan. Nakakahiya kayo. Hindi taong bayan yung pinagsisilbihan nyo dyan. Hatang-halata na ho kayo. Ha? Huli kayo, Balbon. So, hintayin natin. 1 minute suspension daw. Oh, anong oras na ba? Oh, ano na? Lagpas na ng 1 minute. So, hindi yan 1 minute suspension. Ano lang yan? Panggamit lang ho nila yan para mahinto yung masuspend. So, talagang talala na ho sila. Lalo na ho nang sinabi ni Inday Sara na pag may nangyari ho sa akin, pag ginurgur ho ako, may kinontak na ako na gugurgurin din nila itong ang mag-asawang Marcos at itong si Tamba. Yun, malaking gulat ha. Matataas na opisyal yan sa bansa natin. Pero itong mga tonggisista nako, nakakatakot. Parang ano sila dito eh. Parang gigil sila dito na nagtitimpi.
It was illegal in the first place. You asked the President why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Nakop.
Mr. Chair, Madam Vice President, if you have any question insofar as the actions of this committee are concerned, I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
Yan, pambala na naman, court na naman. Nako, wala na kasi kayong masagot eh. Go to the court na lang agad.
Araw-araw, you are depriving a person of her liberty while I await.
That is precisely the point, ma'am.
The-
If our action of detaining your chief of staff is against the law, I think the proper remedy, and I think you're a lawyer,
Yes, sir.
the proper remedy is to go to the court.
Sir, do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin po natin yung batas
Kaya
dito
nga,
sa
sir,
House.
sundin natin yung
Sunod
Kasi
niyo ba?
nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir. Sundin natin yung batas.
But you're
Why
depriving the
will you
liberty of that person.
penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the President?
Madam Vice President, that is the decision of the committee as a whole. Sana po respetuhin po ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Kung meron pong
Okay.
remedy, alam naman po ninyo bilang abogado na tama po yung sinasabi ni Congressman Acop, pwede po tayong mag-file ng relief sa
Okay,
court.
sige, sir. Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Tinutulungan
malaking
ko
sampal
lang
yan.
kayo.
Maraming salamat po, Madam Vice President.
With all due respect,
Yes,
Mr. Chair,
Congressman
I move that we
Deputy
strike
Speaker
out. Yeah, I move that we
Suarez.
strike out.
Strike
last
out daw.
comment, said about the House of Representatives. I don't think that is warranted. Neither is it fair to make.
Ano
statements
talaga tong
like
si
that,
Bunjing, oh?
Mr. Chair.
Second.
Strike
Is there
out
any
kasi
objection?
pahiya kayo doon. Kasi talagang hindi nyo alam yung mga palisiya dyan.
Congressman Dan
Kasi
Fernandez.
yung mga rules nyo lang ay pabor sa inyo.
Chairman, kasi nakakawala po ng respeto sa committee.
Respeto ka rin ba sa mga resource speaker nyo as resource person? Ikaw, Bullstar.
Thank you.
Hindi ka naman kagalang-galang
We
eh.
will now continue to the next item.
Yung
in
suot
our
mo lang yung
agenda.
kagalang-galang,
We
hindi
will
yung
now
pagkatao
proceed
mo.
to the-
Dito po sa pagde-designate kay Colonel Nolasco, sino po ang nagbigay ng kapangyarihan para siya po ang maging designated officer? Ito po yung ginamit yung term, no? Sino po yun?
Mr. Chair, I was informed po ni BP Sara na may i-designate po na security officer.
Ay ng pahintulot o ng kapangyarihan para si Colonel Nolasco po ang mag-disburse ng pera.
Your Honor, si BP Sara po.
Meron pong papel na nagsasabi, kasi kayo po yung may responsibilidad sa pera na ito eh. Dapat kayo po ang
Nako, pabalik-balik
nagdi-disburse.
ang dalawa.
So you cannot designate that authority and that power to anybody else. So now, is there a document that you can show that indeed it came from the Vice President?
Senator, hindi nakikinig eh.
Your Honor.
So meron.
Meron po, Your Honor.
And can you produce that document, Mr. Fajarda?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And in that document that you will produce, is this one document or 3 separate documents every time you withdraw 37 million?
Only one document lang po.
Just one document. And would you know the date to this document, Mr. Fajarda?
Hindi ko po maalala ang date.
Taon?
Dalhin ko na lang po.
Taon?
Mga January po. January 2023.
January 2023.
Mga ganyan po.
Okay, January 2023. Kasi nakakapagtaka lang po, Mr. Fajarda, malaking halaga po ang pinag-uusapan natin, hindi po biro ito. At nakaban po ito sa inyo. Bilang Special Disbursement Officer, I just find it a little bit questionable that such a responsibility would be transferred or passed on to somebody else, especially when it comes to the utilization of such a huge amount. So, yun lang po, Mr. Chair. No? So, sana lang po, Mr. Fajarda, may bigay niyo po sa amin yung kasulatan na sinasabi po ninyo na nagbibigay po ng pahintulot ang ating Vice President kay Colonel Nolasco para siya po mag-disperse ng pera. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. In addition to...
Congressman J.J. Suarez, I recognize.
Mr. Fajarda, I'm sure naiintindihan niyo po yung gravity nito pong nangyari. Kasi kung mapapatunayan po na nagkaroon po ng anomalya, problema sa paggagastos at pagbawaldas po ng pera pong ito, may malaking kaso po ang pwedeng harapin po ninyo.
Hindi na to an aid of legislation.
Officer.
Kasuhan na talaga to.
Unawaan niyo po yun. Opo, okay. With that being said, Mr. Chair, Mr. Fajarda, so gusto ko lang po malaman yung process, no? Kasi sinabi nyo na ilagay nyo po sa vault yung 37 million pesos. Paano nyo po dinidisburse yung 37 million pesos? Ito po ba ay bultuhan yung binibigay kay Colonel Nolasco na isang bultong 37 million pesos o by tranches nyo pong ibinibigay sa kanya?
Your Honor, tumatawag po ako sa kanya mostly weekly. Weekly po.
Paano po?
Weekly po, weekly.
Weekly kan. So pagkatapos niyo po mag-withdraw, siya din ang kasama ninyo sa pag-withdraw, di ba? Nabanggit ninyo.
Hindi po, iba po. Siya lang po ang nag-a-assign.
Kasi Alan ang kasama po ninyo
siya
sa
po lang
pag-withdraw.
nag-a-assign kung sino po kasama ko.
So tapos, pag hawak nyo na po yung 37 million, tatawag po kayo kay Colonel Nolasco weekly?
Your Honor, mostly weekly po. Pero hindi naman po eksaktong weekly. Mostly weekly.
And then,
dun po, sa kanya ko po i-disburse yung pera.
in what amounts?
Nag-range po sa 4 to 6 million. Pero hindi po pare-pareho ang amount.
Kasi kung 4 to 6 million weekly, you're talking about maybe 8 to 10 weeks. So that's maybe, it would take you around 2 months to disburse?
More or less, Your Honor.
No, bigyan niyo lang ako ng figure na pwede ko po panghawakan. More or less?
Mga lampas 2 months po. Mga ganyan.
Mga lagpas 2 months?
Po.
Okay. Yun lang po, kasi siyempre binabangga po namin ito dun sa mga acknowledgement receipts at saka performance report ng audit. So we just wanted to make sure na nagtataya po yung numbers. That's all I have, Mr. Chair.
So ano to, hindi na to in aid of legislation?
Yes.
In aid of
Vice
ano na to?
President.
Sir,
Persecution?
pasensya ka na. Wala talaga kaming kakampi dito. But I really request to strike out pagwawaldas. To strike out pagwawaldas.
Mr. Chair, I concur with the point of the Vice President. You can strike it out.
Yes. Could you put it in motion?
I move that we strike out the word
Pahiya.
pagwawalda.
Second.
Okay, Julius, is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.